In 16 days since the HESCO barriers gave way in downtown Davenport.
And as businesses start to clean up, they're also starting to count their losses. That is our top story this evening. The Half Nelson restaurant is one of the hardest hit areas on East 2nd Street. Owner Matthew Osborne says he worked on the idea for almost 4 years and construction took more than 6 months. He also spent about a month training staff, but all of that was washed away on the brink of opening night. Local 4's Tahira Rahman joins us live on 2nd Street with what the historic flood is costing the entrepreneur. Tahira?
Jim, Tiffany, you can see that many of these storefronts are still very much a work in progress. In fact, there's still dumpsters and restoration trucks that are lining the streets right now. Now, the owner of the restaurant behind me, the Half Nelson, tells me that it was exhausting just to keep his business afloat during the flooding. And now he says the work ahead looks like it's going to cost a lot in terms of time, money, and momentum. This is not how Matthew Osborne pictured his restaurant to look or sound like 2 weeks after opening day. That's because April 30th ended up being historic for another reason.
When I was actually still standing back there looking at the wall when I saw the water start to fill the alley.
Instead of welcoming crowds into the Half Nelson that night, Osborne spent it pushing out water.
For the day that it was supposed to become official, to be the day that, you know, it closed for I don't know how long again. So that was a little disheartening.
Osborne had at least 4 people in the building 24/7 watching generators, pumps, and water levels.
Very intense 48 hours or so.
Now he says he can stop worrying about the water and start worrying about its impact.
Find any spot where water might have made an effect somewhere and dry that out or replace that.
Osborne says he's already looking at least $100,000 in lost inventory and demolition work. And that doesn't include contractor costs or other damage they still have to assess.
And I'm almost afraid to, just for my own sanity, to kind of start to spitball a number there.
And he says the setback is more than just dollars.
Or the real loss there is just the loss of momentum or feeling of momentum. We had done a lot of training and a lot of practice and really felt like we were starting to get our sea legs, as it were. And now, that's all back to square one.
Working to get back to opening day.
Hopefully, get to a point where we're starting to put it all back together and assemble it, back as it was.
Osborne says that it will likely be a few more weeks until he can finally open up his new restaurant. He says at that point he's probably going to be looking at nearly $250,000 in losses. Now, Jim and Tiffany, he's already set up a GoFundMe page to help pay for that, as well as his staff who hasn't been able to work for the last 2 weeks. We've got all of that information up on our quadcities.com. In Davenport, Tahira Rahman, Local 4 News.